Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected my dear supervisor, head of the department, internal and external examiner, at first take my salam. Assalamu alaikum. May I have your permission from my master's thesis presentation? Thank you very much for your permission. This is Muhammad Zillur Rahman, ID 172050002 from the Department of Textile Engineering of Dhaka University of Engineering and Technology Duet. From my master's thesis presentation, the title of my work is Physico-Mechanical Properties of Bottle Gold and Ochre Fiber Reinforced Polypropylene Based Composite. I want to present my work by dividing the segment, like introduction and the background of my research work. Why I have chosen, then the relevant work previously done, then the basic ideology in the significant chosen the work. Why I have chosen these materials. Then I want to present about the all associated materials, necessary tools, method and experimental. I would like to present about the result outcome of my research. Obviously, very disclose, very outcome. I would like to present those the reason behind, recognize all the segment. Now, I come to the first part, the introduction part, which is known as the research background. Composite materials can be defined as a mixture of two or more separate elements to get a resulting materials having superior properties that's its parental materials. Natural and synthetic fiber can be used reinforced element for composite fabrication. Synthetic fiber reinforced polymer based composite materials are gained huge hood in the last century, but they are possessed with some unfavorable disadvantages which complete the scientists and researchers to take about the alternative. Synthetic fiber reinforced polymer based composite materials are not cost effectively, more tensile, difficult to possess and not environment friendly. Where the whole world very much concerned about the environmental issue. As a consequence, the scientists and researchers, when the natural fiber instead of man-made and synthetic fiber polymer matrix. Different types of natural fiber chosen used for composite research, such as jute, ochre, pineapple, bottle gold fiber used for composite fabrication. Natural fiber reinforced polymer based composite materials are some advantages: lightweight, cost effectiveness, low tensile, more easy separation process and environment friendly. Bottle gold and ochre fiber both natural cellulose fiber. Bottle gold fiber cellulose percentage 79.99%. It controls the mechanical properties. Bottle gold fiber cellulose percentage amount highest value from the another natural fiber. Wax percentage 0.38%. It controls the fiber interfacial bonding. Ochre fiber cellulose percentage 60 to 80%. Previously work ochre PP, jute PP and pineapple PP composite. Ochre PP composite found highest amount elongation at break, bending strength, bending modulus from the another two cellulose fiber, another two fiber jute PP and pineapple PP composites. Bottle gold and ochre both natural cellulose fiber. Bottle gold fiber some advantage: availability, lightweight, cost effectiveness, easy separation process and environment friendly. So bottle gold and ochre fiber choose my research work. Matrix is a very fundamental part of composite materials. Different types of matrix used for composite research, such as polypropylene, polyethylene, unsaturated polyester resin, epoxy resin and nylon used for composite fabrication. PP choose my research work. Polypropylene is a amorphous thermoplastic polymer and widely used in engineering application. Some advantages: transparency, dimensional stability, flame resistance, and high impact strength. I have studied 10 paper and found this research gap. Fabrication of composite with 1 inch bottle gold and ochre fiber length. No work has been found. Bottle gold and ochre fiber reinforce polypropylene based hybrid composite. Effect of bottle gold fiber percentage on bottle gold and ochre fiber reinforce polypropylene based composites. Surface modification of natural fiber is very essential to improve the addition with polymer matrix. Let's better mechanical properties. It removes weak components such as lignin, pectin, hemicellulose from the fiber structure, as well as remove hydrophilic nature of fiber. One of the most economical and conservative chemical modification method is alkali treatment. Bottle gold and ochre fiber reinforce polypropylene based composite made by composition molding. The most common method, composition molding, is the most common method for fabricating composite is composition molding. The method makes use of high pressure and temperature ranging from the most common method for fabricating composite is composition molding. The method makes use of high pressure and temperature depending on the kinds of matrix materials. A temperature range of 110 to 200 degrees Celsius is employed to melt the resin. The ideal operating temperature lies between the melting point of the reinforcing components and the melting temperature of the composite materials. High temperature and pressure range from 1 to 5 ton about the up to 5 applied to the composite with give the most common method for fabricating composite is composition molding. The method makes use of high pressure and temperature depending on the kinds of matrix materials. A temperature range of 110 to 200 degrees Celsius is employed to melt the resin. The ideal operating temperature lies between the melting point of the reinforcing components and the melting temperature of the composite materials. High pressure and temperature ranging from 1 to 5 ton applied to the composite to give them the right shape. 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 It must be confirmed that the reinforced elements are unaffected by pressure or temperature. Before applying temperature and pressure, matrix and fiber, temperature and pressure, the matrix and fiber are typical involved with silicon paper and insert into two metal pellet. Bottle gold and ochre fiber, natural cellulose fiber. Some bottle gold and ochre blended technique, manual blended technique, and made layer and normal and made layer by compression molding technique, and PP layer made by compression molding technique. So bottle gold and ochre both fiber bottle gold on ochre, reinforced polypropylene based final composite made by 5-layer hybrid composite layer and 6 PP composite layer with compression molding technique. Finally, four type of sample made by compression molding technique. The fiber ratio is bottle gold percentage 25%, 30%, 35 and 40%, and both ochre percentage both sample 5%, and PP percentage 55%, 60%, 65 and 70%. So 4 type composite made and different types experiment the composite. Some experiment names is mechanical properties. The mechanical properties tensile strength, tensile modulus, elongation and break, bending strength, bending modulus, impact strength, and hardness test. Or ACM test, water uptake, ACM test, scanning electron microscope test, water uptake, soil degradation, and thermogradient analysis, and TD and DSC analysis test. Evaluate the on composite. The tensile strength, tensile modulus, elongation and break, tensile strength, tensile modulus, elongation and break, tested by Shimazu testing machine under ATMGT.